A very good morning to you all students. In today's module, we will be doing the classification of short-run cost. The short-run costs are classified into basically into three categories: total cost, average cost and marginal cost. The three categories of short-run cost are total cost, average cost and marginal cost. Total cost is further divided into total fixed cost and total variable cost. Total cost is also called TC. TC is further divided into TFC and TVC. Same way, average cost is abbreviated as AC, and the average cost is the total of average fixed cost and average variable cost. In the same manner as total cost is the total of total fixed cost and total variable cost, average cost is the total of average fixed cost and average variable cost. And the third category is marginal cost. In today's class, we'll be discussing about all of these. As you can see, students, total cost is the total of fixed cost and total variable cost. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. What is meant by total cost? Total cost is the total expenditure or total obligations that are incurred in producing a commodity. So it is the total of total fixed cost and total variable cost. We have studied about fixed factors, and in the last class we have discussed about fixed cost and variable cost. Okay, fixed cost does not change with the level of output, and variable cost directly varies with the level of output. In the last module we have done fixed factor. The cost that is incurred on fixed factor is called fixed cost, and fixed cost does not change with the level of output. It remains the same. Like we had rent for the building. Okay, all these expenses do not directly vary with the level of output. But variable cost varies, directly changes with the level of output. Like we talk about electricity charges, okay, and we talked about running expenses like water, okay. So electricity charges directly is related to output. Okay, if the production is too much, electricity is used more. So the variable cost directly changes with the level of output. If electricity is used more, electricity cost will be more. If production is there, electricity is used, ज़्यादा production होगा, ज़्यादा electricity use होगा, तो variable cost भी ज़्यादा होगा. So variable cost directly varies with the level of output. Fixed cost remains the same. It does not changes with the level of output. So total fixed cost is the cost incurred on all the total fixed factors, and total variable cost is the cost incurred on total variable factors. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. We know that total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC. Now with this formula we also get that TFC is equal to TC minus TVC. Okay, if TC is equal to TFC plus TVC, what are we doing? We are taking TFC this side. If we take TFC this side, so TC minus TFC remains here, TVC gets here. Okay, so the formula gets, from this formula only I am getting the second formula. TFC will become TC minus TVC, and TVC will become TC minus TFC. From the first formula I am deriving the two formulas. TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. TFC को इस तरफ रहने दिए, इसको माइनस ले आए, TC minus TVC. Same way, I have got the formula TVC here. TVC को इधर ही रहने दिया, TC minus TFC. So I get this formula now. You need to keep one thing in mind. TFC will remain constant. The level of output may become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total fixed cost will remain at rupees 20. Suppose I am taking the total fixed cost is rupees 20. So the output may vary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the total fixed cost will remain the same at rupees 20. and total variable cost will directly vary with the level of output. जैसे जैसे प्रोडक्शन चेंज होगा टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट भी चेंज होता है. Whenever the production changes, the total variable cost also increases. That's all for today, students. Thank you.